In this video, I'm gonna answer each of I'm gonna write sentence for each of these people. Here we have an example provided. If you look at the table, it says célibataire, marié, and then conjoint, fait, divorcé, enfant. Okay, célibataire mean he's single, and then marié mean married, and then conjoint fait in common law relationship. Okay, and divorce mean divorced. And then infant mean children. Okay. Now, if you look at the A part, you can see the Sophie. Sophie's married. She has a tick on married, and she has a garçon and Phil. Garçon mean a son, and one is Phil mean daughter, or you can say boy and a girl as well. So here she says, "Je suis marié, j'ai un garçon, un Phil." So je suis marié mean I'm married. J'ai un garçon, un mean one. So j'ai un garçon mean I have one son, and mean aunt, and et mean and is one again, and Phil mean daughter. She has a son and a daughter, or you can say she has a boy and a girl. Okay, and if you look at the Martin is a divorcee, and then he has no children. So for Martin, we write it like je suis divorcé, je suis divorcé. Okay, and that's it. If you look at this divorcee, it has an extra e. This is only the extra e is only if it's a female. If it's a man answering this question, then it's only one e. In case if this is a woman, then it will have doubly. In French, the men and women, when they answer some words, it differs with an extra e and something like that. So here, I missed an s here. He is a male saying he's a divorce, so je suis divorcé. Okay, and then if you look at Martin has no children, so je n'ai pas d'enfant. J N apostrophe AI, and then pas d'enfant. D'enfant. Okay, so it means I'm a divorcee, I'm divorced, and then I don't have children. Je n'ai pas d'enfant mean I don't have children. And when you say pass, you shouldn't read it like pass, it's pa. The S goes silent, and d'enfant. Okay. And then if we look at the Utri Modi, Utri Mode is célibataire, she's single, and she has a daughter. So see, we can say Janapa, yeah, she's single. So je suis célibataire. Je suis célibataire. And she has a daughter. So that's going to be J of Phil. Okay, I mean one. But when you say on for a woman, there's an E attached to it. And it also sounds similar to but when you write, you have to put an E for it. J Phil. And then if you look at Carl is conjoint fait. It means he's in a common law relationship. It means he's living together, but he's not married. He has two sons and two daughters. So je suis conjoint fait. conjoint. Okay. And here you see there's an E mentioned here. In case if it's a woman saying this, then we have to put an E for it. Okay, after T conjunct, we need to put a E if it's a woman. But he's a man, so we don't put the E. You see, conjunct effect. And this is Carl, and he has two Garsons and two Phil. So we say J, the Garsons. Okay, here if you see this DEUX, which means two, and this EU sounds like a, the pronunciation goes a. So the, and this X goes silent. So you just read it as the. Okay, so J the J and J A I is J. It comes like J. So you say J the, it pronounces like J, and then J the Garsons, and then mean and fills. This S is for if it's plural, like if it's even in English, if you have son and daughter, if it's multiple sons, sons, if it's multiple daughters, daughters, like that. If it's fill, fills, it comes like that. And fill, I need to attach an E for it. It fills. So Jesui conjunctified J the Garsons, the fills, and if you notice this Garsons, this C represents sir. Sometimes if it's this C, it kind of comes like so you have to make sure this you're putting this C for Garsons. And then if you look at the Alexandre, she's married. Je suis marié. Alexandre is a man, so it's marié only one E. Je suis marié. And then Alexander has no children, so Janapa d'enfant. Okay, so that is basically it. He's married, he doesn't have any children. And if you look at Vicky, Vicky is divorcee. Uh, and when we say it's divorcee, but and we write it's gonna be Jesuit divorcee. We will have double E. Jesuit divorcee. And she has one son and two daughters. So J, un garçon, and then do fills. Actually, the fills. Okay, and that's basically it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.